guys, today this is the second video of my 1 week calligraphy uploads, and today we're gonna be writing this. This is best friends with two colors. So let's go ahead and see how to make it. Okay, so you've seen me draw the lines. So let's know the things we need. Once again, the line's width like this is 2 centimeters. You need a pencil, a black colored pen, and some art markers or sketch pens. I'm gonna take any two of my favorite colors. First, we're gonna write F. So we go on top and we put a curl and go down. And get past the line and go on top and end it here. So it should be like this, and now we put the top of the F like a curve. Now we put the top part. So it should have a lot of space. So you should start close, a little bit close to this standing line, and should curl like that and go there. I put the same but a little little straight line to the F. So we're gonna start the R from the line and go on top and here, and we bring it below the line and bring it here. Otherwise it will be a little small. You can also skip the going down. Okay. Now the I, letter I. Okay, now letter E. So we bring it to the top a little bit and take it like that and bring it down here. So the E is like this, very simple. Next, letter N. Letter N. So for letter N, we put a straight line and start the curl, the wave from here. Cause in my earlier video, I already told you that while doing the fog calligraphy like this, we'll have enough space because it won't be like this, very further, a lot of gap in the middle. Like, do not have a very sharp end. It might look like it's having a sharp end, but no. Now we put an egg-shaped oval. Well, not exactly like an egg shape, but an oval. Now we put the top line. Now this is a nice part. We have to look through to know the right place because sometimes it may go like this. So I need to be careful on that part. And end it in the middle like you usually do in between the lines, the two lines. Now letter S. So we take the S to the top of the line and bring it down. We can go below the bottom line and do a loop, a side loop, and take it to the side and bring it to the top, a curl on the top, and it's done. You know, we did something to the R. What we did was we took the loop on top of the top line and we took this to the bottom of the bottom line. So it's called bouncing. The main thing, the fog calligraphy, that's what we're gonna do. So for letter F, this has to be sharp. So we try to make it fat and end it sharp. I just thought to make it look better, why not put this dash instead of a curve? Good, much better. We needn't put any like this to the endings. Nothing over there. So we move on straight away to the R, and we know that this goes down here, and we went side and down. And now the I, and we go down. So we went like this, and now it goes down. Next, the N, we went there and down. So this time we'll try to make the faux calligraphy a little thicker. Yes. And this side we went down. Okay. Now the D we went. So we need to do this. So start it sharp, make it even. So next we went down here. We go down. Yes, I put in this line, a straight one, and went downwards and ended it sharp here. And I put this straight line and did this. Yes. So the dot for the I should be like this. Yes. Wow, wow, wow. We did our faux calligraphy. So we're gonna divide the letters to halves and do one color. I told you I'm taking two colors. So we're gonna shade one color on top and the other color on down below. So for that, we need to divide the letters correctly to do it. Let's get started with that. So for that, you can mark the center, but if you did this just like mine, then a little above the line, it should be a little above the line. I put a line for y'all. So here you need not separate anything because it's already the top of the R. So here we'll have a little space here because already this is a large enough space for this. And now the I. E is already separated like this, but we'll make it more straight. The N. Okay. And here. So if you cannot measure it straight to this, you can keep a ruler here and measure it if it's straight or not. So here and here. Oh wait, not there. It's here. No, a little on top. So it should be like this. Be carefully measuring that. Once again, it should be measured like this. And here I think it can be here. We're gonna give the black outline first. Shade on the inside. First we put on the dark color, the purple one. And next the lighter color. Here it is. It both looks the same, but no, it isn't. It looked a bit too same, so I've taken a deeper violet. looks amazing. You can take any other color of your choice. Any two colors. Now we need to write best friends, and for that I need to put two lines here and here. So we're gonna write that in the space here. It's so free that we need to fill it with something. So I've drawn these two lines. They have no measurement. I just put on my own. So we're gonna write them thin and tall. So a straight line. We all know how to write B, but this one has to be thin. Oh, this is perfect. Fine enough for me, but you can write it in any way. This looks like a better font. Okay. There it is. This is nice. And we put a couple lines here. Okay. We just put these lines for a better design. I don't know, it just looks nice. Now we do the outlines. So these dashes are gonna be pink, and the letters are gonna be violet, because most of this top parts are violet, because maybe that will match. Wow, wow, wow. This looks nice. Now that we've taken these for calligraphy letterings, it's more beautiful and nice. We've seen how to write best friends in calligraphy. I'll come back with another tutorial tomorrow. Until then, bye!